Here are some few Ayurvedic food rules that you need to know to stay cold this summer. First, avoid guru or heavy meals. Instead, go for lagu ahara which are easy to digest so that it won't strain your digestive system. Second, prefer madhura rasa pradhana ahara or sweet tasting food items rather than choosing amla or kadu ahara which are sour and pungent food items because the latter can promote your body heat and can cause acidity and heartburns. Lastly, try to include a little amount of good fat in your daily diet in the form of cow ghee so that it can counter the dry nature of the atmosphere and can nourish your body from within.